your neck, bet they on your neck. You want that watch, you better rock a tech. You want the chain, you better cop a vest. You want the check, but can you make it stretch?
Welcome to Root Zones, bringing you the good news and the bad news of crypto. My name is Wayne.
And my name is Manish.
And if you like money in crypto, make sure to hit the subscribe button. So today, I'm going to share with you a news on Jack Dorsey, right? He has actually rebranded his crypto company and is getting in on the craze of these tungsten cubes, the super heavy metal blocks that cost up to 3,005. Now, I really wonder what is this got to do with blockchain, right? So Square is rebranding its announcement as Block, contain a strange reference of a tungsten cube. Mentioned the signal to crypto enthusiasts who were recently in a frenzy to buy a novelty object. So wow, would you guys buy these objects? Do comment in the section below. I really don't know what this about, but let's see. So a small tungsten manufacturing company shared what is it like to ride the surge of attention. In its rebranding announcement as Block, the digital financial company Square contained an odd reference. Not to get all meta on you, but we are going to. The company tweeted, Block references the neighborhood blocks where we can find our seller, a blockchain, block parties full of music, obstacles to overcome, a section of code, building blocks, and of course, tungsten cubes. Very interesting thing. So we are changing their company, right? So for now, it's tied to Square, Cash App, Tidal, together in one, and that's the name of Block. Not too sure what Jack Dorsey is doing. Let's see.
Yeah.
So last October, Tungsten Cube was thrust into the national spotlight after a few viral tweets inspired a fixation among crypto enthusiasts, right, with a unique tactile experience of objects of their extraordinary weight to size. I don't know, guys. I don't know what Jack Dorsey is trying to do here, and why is this so, by the surge of October MTS, by the third day, tungsten is a high-density metal comparable to gold that is used of a wide array of industrial application. Even small volume of elements are strangely heavy, with a 1.5 cubes weighing 2.2 pounds or 3. We actually had what we thought at that time was multiple years of worth of inventory of some of the different size. Wow.
Not even NFT, not even anything.
Yeah,
it's just
I mean,
a metal piece.
Why is there
Look
a
like
craze?
he's coming up with the blockchain with the some physical goods.
But on October 22nd, right, it was announced an auctioning of a NFT largest tungsten cube ever, measuring. So very interesting stuff. Let's see, paid 57 Ethereum, right? The winner of the crypto group known as Tungsten DAO had paid nearly 57. That's close to $250,000. Crypto fuel has passed. Very interesting. I don't know. So now you can actually buy these. Everybody is selling this. I don't know whether it's the real one,
cube.
but it's $29.99. So guys, if you're watching this, would you comment in the section below? Let us know if you would actually buy this cube. I really don't know what is this got to do with crypto.
No, digital goods tagged with some blockchain, that I can understand, but why physical goods?
Yeah, I don't know what is this. So seems like it's almost kind of a NFT. It's a trophy for crypto bros. The metal block, which weighs more than you expect, has become tactile. Real life flags of extremely, I don't know, guys. I don't know. I'm not gonna pay $250,000 for this. So
No.
Jack Dorsey, I don't know. Jack Dorsey was supposed to come out with his own new blockchain, but instead, right? Let's see. Jack Dorsey, I think he came out on the news recently on Square to cooperate the block, but he also is stepping down, right? He's the co-founder of Twitter, and I think somebody, right, from India.
Yeah, Parag
taking-
Agarwal is a CTO of Twitter, is stepping up to CEO.
Yeah, I hope he's still on the path, because last we knew about Jack Dorsey was that he's actually looking to change the way something a visionary in terms of the block space. So yeah, so we'll see. That's all I have, guys, on the news today about Jack Dorsey.
Okay, so move on to our next section. Let's me share my entire screen first. Okay, I move on to a comment section first. Um in this FAQ, Stardust today, I see commented on our video, which I have covered about the KuCoin mining, using uh, KuCoin mining using pool mining. How to withdraw the earning from a mining account to an any other wallet? It's very straightforward. I think this answer is very straightforward. Just to let you know, guys, I have covered a video for creating a mining pool. So how we created a mining pool, there was a program which I have given a link in the video, this NB miner, from a GitHub. You can download it, and this ETH batch, you have to amend certain informations, like the account which we have created in a KuCoin. We have to configure this account, and we have to configure this Ethereum access pool address once you configure it, and then switch with the log. So I just explain you in the video, once you run this script, it's going to run the program and going to mine, it's going to use your GPU to mine Ethereum. And uh, once you start mining it, and make sure that this script has only info, there is not an error. So once you start mining it, the tokens will go on your main accounts. How you can access your main account is come to assets, main account, trading account, margin account, future account, and pool X account. So you have to refer your main account. So when you come to main account, if you are mining Ethereum here, look at that, my hash is around 11. I think 18 hash is going on now. You can see I'm able to start the program. It's started mining now, and it will start mining the Ethereum, and it'll show you in your main account. How to check your mining is working or not? Come to this and come on pool, mining pool. Yes, once you come here, mining pool. Okay, come to dashboard. Okay, a mining machine. I'm using Ethereum ETS cache. So you can see now already it's connected, and it's showing here my mining machine. So this is my user account which I have configured it in the script, and through that I am mining it. So the question was how I can withdraw the mining, the Ethereum which we got it as a rewards. So you can come to assets, come to main account, and here in your main account it will start showing your, you can, if you are mining Ethereum, then it okay, so it will start showing here. I've already withdrawn it to my wallet. And if you want to withdraw to your other wallet, I just show you example of MetaMask. If you want to withdraw it, come to withdraw. uh, okay, I have read, continue. Then you have to give your wallet address. How you can give a wallet address? Come to MetaMask, log into your MetaMask. Suppose I have my wallet is MetaMask. Okay, so I just log in to my MetaMask. All right, so I'm in Ethereum network here. This is my wallet address. I'll just copy here, I paste my wallet address. ERC20 is my network. Ethereum amount, suppose you have mined it around some amount of Ethereum, you just click on a max and it will select your amount. Click on confirm. It will prompt you for the credentials. It will prompt you for your two-factor authentication, and once done, it your amount will start showing here in this wallet. So very simple, Miss Stardust. I think hope this things helps you. So that's all on the how-to sections. Let's go with the market side. What is the update?
Yeah, thanks, Manish. Just a few things. I think Facebook, for those who know, Facebook has renamed themselves as Meta. For those who are actually doing advertising, Facebook has actually recently, uh, removed its ban on crypto ads. So now, if you are doing cryptocurrencies and doing advertising for Facebook, you should be able to do that. Also, in the news, let me see if I can actually get this out. Let me just share this. I thought this was very interesting article. As traditional treasuries go out of date, right, the DAOs are changing the playing field. So DAOs are something that we recently covered, especially for Metaverse Pro. I think this is very important. It's basically a treasury that they create to raise funds, and then after they will use the funds to either create governance. Governance meaning all of us can, those who are actually staking the money, you can be part of a voting system to decide how the future of that money, and that money can be used into investments, which is called utility. So some of these are the ones that we are really investing into, going straight on to the metaverse. Now they did a recent AMA, but they have not shown their face. So again, guys, certain white flags and red flags there. But of course, this what we love about this is that this is in a decentralized finance, right? And it's project by Harvard. So decentralized autonomous organization, or the DAO, the DAO, have become something of a buzzword in the crypto space recently, especially with metaverse and the gaming and NFT, which is a very core stuff that myself and Manish are heavily invested, especially in root zones. So recently, the news emerged on one particular DAO paid USD 4 million, right, to Wu-Tang Clan, one of a kind album. An extraordinary sum of money to be purchasing the CDs by any measures. Now, for centuries, business have come accustomed to the traditional treasury management system and operate in a centralized way where one person or a small collective has a control over organizational finance, right? But by educating people on the benefits of decentralization and the way of its operation, right? The current new finance of centralization is going to be outdated, considered it's a disruption, right, in the marketplace. So there are plenty of problems that exist within the operations of traditional treasuries, and some of the things are more transparent now, especially with economic wounds caused by C-19, a pandemic which left almost every business crippled in debt, right? But this predicament presents an opportunity for organizations to re-examine how they conduct their financial operations. One key issue is the dilemma whereby business owner isn't working in line with the goals determined by the stakeholders, and this can mean a disproportionate division of companies' capital, which is controlled by one or small group of people, could result in losses, right? So fundamentally, humans make mistakes, and less people involved in the decision-making process of the treasury, the greater the risk of poor decision is being made. So how does a DAO make money? Very important, guys. It is of course, initially it can be confusing how decentralized organization would make its money, considering it's community led. Very powerful statement here, because if you don't have a community, no coins will actually pump, right?
Yeah, not only DeFi, it's any other token also. It's required a community support.
No, they're in the context of DAO.
Yeah, in the context of DAO also, and any other also. You see, the moment any crypto launch, they launch all their social media page, they build their community, they build their Telegram pages.
Yeah. So plenty of ways that the DAO can raise money to fund business activities, and efficient with minimal risk. Now, I'm not too sure about minimal risk because in the DeFi space, definitely there is certain level of risk, as well as this the central, right? If you're on
One of the
central
biggest
exchange.
risk is if something wrong in your wallet address, it will go somewhere in a cloud. The entire money will go off. You will not be able to recover also. And there is no way to complain. There's no way to contact any
Yep,
support.
no support for wallets. That's true. Now, the protocol of DAO is associated with issue funds of DAO as part of its operating structure to set up the protocol to allow DAO to benefit from its performance. Some DAO may also sell membership, right? So that's one way they can generate revenue, and benefits of airdrops or give like limited non-fungible tokens, NFTs. Now, the funding of the DAOs can be done through funding, which is what Treasury is all about. With the issuers of new tokens. So the tokens will be given the holders voting rights, and more tokens holders will have more rights to establish operational rules. The DAO can leverage on lending, right? to avoid making money by selling their tokens. So incentives are also important for DAO governance, which ensure the continued success of any DAO. Incentive includes profit sharing, growth incentive, yield farming, which can attract business. So you will find that a lot of the DAO are talking about crazy APYs, right? But if you break down the APYs into a 5 days return on investment, you see they range basically from 8% to 12% for every 5 days. So for every $1,000, you're going to get maybe somewhere between 80 to $120 for every 5 days. So you do the math, divided by 5, you know how much you can roughly make in terms of interest, and it's compounded interest. Right, so internal incentives may include rewards of token holders, attracting more people to invest in DAO, therefore increasing the treasury balance. So, conclusion, basically, the traditional treasury manage their funds slightly different from DAO. That is expected because we talk about printing, we talk about savings in the traditional market. So if you're taking money, that's why the banks always advise you to save, right? Because when you put that $1,000 in the bank, they can actually print. They can actually create 10,000 from your 1,000 in the bank, almost like a collateral, and they lend out that 1,000 and pay you that 0.00 whatever percentage, which won't, can't even buy you a bar of chocolate, right? In today's banking. So I don't know how this will actually change the way traditional bankings will work, because right now this actually is an industry, is a revolution.
This DeFi also the same like how banking works, lending, borrowing,
we adopted
staking. So the entire process is same.
the
It's
entire
just
process. The entire process is the same, but except that they give you all the interest.
Yeah.
The banks want to create this corporate business. They have to pay CEOs, return on investment.
and interest will be very high here. The interest will be, of course, very high because there is no big buildings, there is no ATMs, there is no staffing, there is no customer support.
Nothing.
All is yours.
To give you back to the people. So I think I don't know how. I'm actually very curious how the traditional banks now will want to kind of retain back their control. Maybe they will start to offer more. Maybe they will try to say something that the DeFi is more risky. Come to us, we'll give you now, instead of 1%, we give you, I don't know, 10%.
See, if the adoptions for this DeFi cryptos or any cryptos are globally started taking it, then you need not to take back these cryptos in your bank account. So what you will do, you will start using your digital wallets to pay your bills, pay your food, buy stuff. Right. So then your requirements to transferring over to traditional bank will be stopped.
Yeah, we have CRO.com that offers credit card. I can take all this money, convert into CRO tokens, use that card and go down to my 7-Eleven and buy something. So sooner or later, guys, we don't need the central banks, which is very frightening for an institution that's been around since the dark ages, right? In terms of banking and finance. So I'm very curious how the other side perceives this and what changes are they going to make to compete. I don't know whether they can compete also. So in terms of the interest rate. So let's see. I mean, it's a good, disruption is always good, and it also, I mean, it has its pros, it has its cons. So let's check out market. Of course, is fear. We see a lot of C19s. 2 countries have shut down, I believe Korea and Australia, in the last couple of days. Singapore also, we have the virus. First 2 people who actually landed was detected, right, to have that. So you can see right now, this was 1 year ago, right, C19. You look at this, we are actually climbing up. So you get it reflected here. Maybe it will shoot up, and then maybe we'll see oil barrels dropping down to negative. So they will give you free oil as long as you can collect them as fast as they can produce. Markets is down today, again offering cheaper alternatives. So if you, most likely end of the month, you have your salary, this was the best time to buy, right? It's a Christmas sale before the run up. Still bullish on certain sectors. Looking at some stuff. So cryptos, 15,000 cryptos, 400 exchanges. We have 2.5 trillion. BTC 41%, Ethereum 20%. Top 3 coins, Rainbow, very interesting. We always like to look at Rainbow, MetaPets, and Shiba Elon. So we have Shiba Elon now, Sheep Elon. So That's something to look at. In the last 24 hours, Bitcoin is down by 4.32, Ethereum down by 4.74, BNB down by 4.15, Solana up by 1.94, Cardano up by 5.69, XRP down by 4.17, and Polkadot down by 5.06. Doge down by 3.01. And look who is here now, 11th place. Amazing, huh? Luna. Terra Luna. We got to check this out, Manish. See, just do some checks what's happening here. So, crypto.com, something that we like. So, me and Manish, we always talk about the lifestyle. I think in the crypto space, it's always nice to dream. And we have two things we want to do. One is to hit the top tier for crypto.com, getting the platinum credit card. Yeah, and also to join traveler.com. Of course, with C19 out of the way, it's nice to have Traveler, where you can garner all these points and then get nice offers to great destinations at a very low fee, right? And all of these paid by crypto. So something we'll explore over a lot, maybe in future, in terms of having the crypto lifestyle. I think that's something nice. So price prediction doesn't change, guys. Bitcoin still 100 to 250,000, Ethereum 10 to 15,000, BNB 1,000, Solana 250 to 350, XRP 20, Polkadot 85 to 100, and Doge $1. Again, this is a educational channel, not meant to be a financial. Anyway, nobody has the crystal ball, right? So still do your own due diligence, assess your risk, manage your portfolio. 50, 25, 25 is the way we go. I won't cover the markets today. Let's see. So for those who are interested in learning, always come to our playlist. Check out some of the videos we have. Tokenomics covers specific coins that we like, and we have been researching on that. And I think most of you in the Telegram group knows that I think we do offer something before it actually pumps, and you can actually learn crypto. Most of this live, we tell you certain things because your comments, your questions that comes to us, we always share that back.
Yeah, all how-tos, market updates, everything news in a live.
Yeah. So that's all we have, guys, today. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you tomorrow, same time.
See you guys tomorrow, and weekend is coming over, so the good content's on the way. Yeah. All right. See you guys tomorrow.
Take care, guys.
Diamonds on your neck, bet they on your neck. You want that watch, you better rock it tech. You want the chain, you better cop a